This is Helen. She is a girl. She has a big family. There are 5 people in Helen's family. Helen has a mother, a father, a brother, and a sister. Helen's brother's name is John. Helen is John's sister. John's sisters' names are Helen and Emma. John does not have a brother. John does not have a hat. John's father, Mr. Smith, has a hat. John, Helen, and Emma have a cat. The cat has cat toys. Emma has baby toys. John and Helen do not have baby toys. John has books. Helen has books too. They have many books. The parents have 3 children. The parents have 2 daughters and 1 son. Emma has toys, but John and Helen have books. Mr. and Mrs. Smith also have books. They have many books. There are big books. There are small books. There is a book about cats. There is a book about toys. There is a book about aliens. The cat does not have books. The cat is not a person. The aliens also do not have books. They are not people. Name, name, aim, name. Have, 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 has, has, toy, oi, toy, toys, toys, book, uh, book, books, does not, does, not, do not, do not, family, families,